Hey guys, so today I am going to be going thrifting in Seoul with my friends from FIT. I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. I was supposed to do a get ready with me, but as you can see, I'm like halfway through the process, but that's okay. I saw this like really cool thrift store that's by weight in Seoul, and I suggested it to my friends, being like, yo, we should go here sometime. And I was supposed to get some tattoos today, but my tattoo appointment was rescheduled, and I thought today was a perfect day to go thrifting, so I'm bringing you guys along with me. In about an hour, we're gonna be going to the subway to go to Seoul.
I don't want your love, don't come to me. No, 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 no. 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 I don't want your love, don't come to me now. I don't want your love, don't come to me now. I don't want your love, don't come to me now. I don't want your love, don't come to me. No, 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 don't come to me. No, 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 don't come to me now. I don't want your love, don't come to me now. I don't want your love, don't come to me. Why is it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but you don't even know me. I'm down to hang, but if you're falling, do it slowly. Yeah, cause I've been thinking lately, if I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light, girl. Maybe we're too intoxicated, trying to have sober conversation. I'm saying I'm fine, we both know I'm lying. With you in that dress, girl, there ain't no denying, yeah. But that's the point I'm trying to get to with every single issue.
Hi to Nicole's vlog. I'm Colleen. You probably already know me. Stop. I really don't know.
I could see you in a different light. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light, girl. Cause baby, I just need a minute to get my thoughts all aligned, so let our love intertwine. So baby, could I get a minute to get my thoughts all aligned, so we can do this right? If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light, girl. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you, baby, in a different light. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you, baby, in a different light. She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey. Look, pick pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad, we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told her fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Look, you know you the baddest in the game. Show you how to blow like Lil Wayne. Baby, I ain't hard to please. Girl, tell me what you need. Year-round Valentine. I'm just tryna get some time. Would you spend the night with me? Maybe spend your life with me. Check me if I'm trifling. Let me be your bestie. Bonnie and Clyde when we flexing. Baby, we can stand the test of time. And you ain't even gotta second guess that. You mean the world to me. I travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
worlds that we see don't always look the same. Where words have no place and time has escaped. Ooh, that's where our hearts connect. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a puzzle we can read. Don't you wanna go outside? So it goes, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side.
Ashuan with my eyes. There is just one thing I need. That was good. That one.
Don't